What picnic fun number is this, Stacy?
Number 3.
Stacy, you want to go on a picnic?
Yeah.
The big hair today. Is there another rainy day?
Yeah. We always seem to plan to film on rainy days.
We've only done 3, 4 so far. But we'll hit some sunny days that aren't 100 degrees.
Right.
All right, let's go.
All right.
Squirrel with a white tail, or a blonde tail. He's a unique character. Well, we just got done shopping at Aldi's here, picking up a few things for a picnic because we didn't have anything ready. And I got a gripe with Aldi's. I don't know if all of them are the same or not, but this particular Aldi's, it just seems like you can't get through without being in someone's way. And I believe it's because the baskets are too wide on the carts. I think they need to either widen their aisles or narrow their baskets, because it just seems it's impossible to navigate sometimes. And it makes me a little bit stressful. I really don't like shopping at Aldi's. The prices are good, the food is always good, but the shopping experience for me is just too stressful. I mean, the people are nice and everything. It doesn't ever feel like there's a good flow. And it's a busy place too, so you know that has a lot to do with it. I mean, all in all, I love Aldi's. The prices and the quality of the food and everything that we get here. I know they're committed to healthy foods and non-GMOs and things like that, so that's good. I just get a little bit of anxiety when I'm in there and I feel like I'm in somebody's way or someone is in my way. Just this non-stop. Okay, rant over. I'm just waiting for Stacy to check out, and I'm going to pick her up and we'll go have our picnic. Also made a little game to play today out of bottle caps and old cans, so hopefully that'll be fun. We can do something with it. Made it back.
I made it.
I was doing a gripe about Aldi's, about how I think their carts are too wide for their aisles.
They made this one bigger.
It still seems like you're always in someone's way, though, to me. Like, no matter where you go, there's somebody in your way. And this is a busy store. That's what I'm saying. I like the prices and the quality of the food. And did you give that cart away?
I did.
Someone gave us a cart because you have to put quarters in to get a cart out. I don't know if everyone knows about Aldi's, but you put a quarter in and the carts are chained up. I'm sure most people know about that. But someone gave us one, so Stacy gave it to somebody else. So we're paying it forward today, a quarter at a time.
Yes, sir.
All right, are we ready to go to the park?
Yes.
Okay. Hopefully the rain holds off some more.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Picnic with chopsticks. Who donated these chopsticks?
My friend Penny, her daughter Alex. So thank you, Alex. And the little what you use at the table to set your chopsticks on.
So I guess I'm going to eat my sandwich and my peppers with chopsticks today. So we got hummus and peppers. What do you got? You already opened it. You're too impatient.
I got prosciutto, provolone cheese, and breadsticks.
Ooh, nice.
See, I gotta open it to show them. See, I've never had prosciutto before.
What is prosciutto? Is that how you say it? Prosciutto?
Prosciutto.
Prosciutto.
It's a type of ham. I don't know exactly what. And some chicken salad. I love chicken salad.
Now, I don't think I can eat any of this stuff with chopsticks. I don't
Try
know.
it.
Okay. We're in a city park and we're under an awning again because of course it's raining. This is classic hummus. You seriously need a cracker or something with that. You're not going to pick that up with chopsticks, Goofy. You proved me wrong.
Yes, dude.
This is the chopstick challenge. I don't even know how to use chopsticks the right
I
way.
don't either.
This is what I do. I put my finger on that one and then do that. I think you're supposed to put one under, and that finger always seems to get in the way.
I think you hold them too far apart.
That's what I was thinking. Just thinking. I had to watch a tutorial or something. Yeah, it's not stable enough. What am I doing wrong here? Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is finger food.
That's not too bad.
This is good creamy hummus. When I make hummus at home, it's really chunky. And I was saying before that Aldi's usually has non-GMO products. This doesn't have the ingredients of the hummus. Of course, I'm sure it's just chickpeas, right?
Put it on the back. Like the back of that.
Oh, there it is. I'll have to look at it after I'm done. So we've got some chicken salad and some little snack dipper packs. What do you call that? Kind of like a Lunchable, but better.
Yeah, this is like an Italian recipe snack tray.
Mine's a hummus and peppers, classic hummus and sweet peppers tray. I eat all of this.
All the hummus?
Yeah, and the pepper. Mmm, hummus. How much do these cost?
A little under $2 each.
That's not bad. What's a Lunchable? What's the price of a Lunchable?
Like $3 or $4. I think it's better.
Well, definitely.
You wanna try some?
I do. I'm gonna try the chopsticks again. I thought I had this down. It's got a good salty flavor to it. What is the meat again?
It's prosciutto. It's a ham.
Is that like the pigs that are fed acorns or something like that?
No, it's the way they cure it, I believe.
I thought it was what they fed them. Well, what is the fancy pork that they feed it? Only a diet of like acorns or something like that.
That's a good question. If anybody knows, let us know in the comments.
I got a little friend. Can you see him? Go on, man. Yeah, if you know, put it in the comments, but I thought that's what prosciutto was. And we've got the classic chicken salad with premium white meat chicken. Sorry, chickens.
It's really good.
You liked it? Mm-hmm. We got some chicken and some
I think like celery and green peppers.
Got a good flavor. Kind of sweet, but I don't know if that's the cracker too.
No, it's kind of sweet.
Is it? Mm-hmm. I didn't taste any pepper. I tasted.
Aldi's chicken salad is like my favorite.
Is it? Mm-hmm. They have some good products. Mm-hmm. Way better than the sushi. Now, is one of these one serving?
I think so.
I would be able to read something if I put my glasses on. Serving size 5 ounces. That feels about like 5 ounces.
That's because it is 5 ounces.
Ah! That's why I married her.
And I also got myself. This was fairly cheap. It's called the Perfect Bar.
Put it up there so you can see it.
It's got 12 grams of protein. It's chocolate hazelnut. Non-GMO. Ooh, look at that.
Looks good.
Oh, it smells chocolatey. Oh, this will be a good chocolate substitute for me.
Mmm.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Good.
It's chocolate hazelnut crisp.
What am I doing? What am I doing wrong with the chopsticks? I thought you put, yeah, there. That's how you do it, right? I had my finger in here earlier. They're always uneven, but I need to get that finger out of the way. Prop it up under there, right? Let me try that. I always twist it around. I'm such a noob. I did pick something up. You're double dipping. That's not allowed.
It's just between us. Let's be honest.
We're not going to eat all that though. If we take it home, someone else might eat out of it. We'll just hide it. Here comes the rain.
I think it's just the one. Oh my gosh, this protein bar. This is good. This is like a good dessert type. I can't eat all of it. I've already eaten too much.
Right.
It's all good.
Well, let's make a. Well, I'm going to make a sandwich out of everything here.
Okay.
A cracker sandwich. I've got a cracker, a pepper, chicken salad, prosciutto,
With some provolone cheese.
and some provolone. This is going to be delicious. Should I top it off or should I
I think just like that.
just like that, like an hors d'oeuvre?
Yeah.
I think it's going to be good. It's conflicting flavors. I think they're working against each. It's not bad.
The chicken and the ham's probably working against each other. I bet you if you had just chicken or just fish.
Well, I think the pepper has such a bright taste, and then it's the chicken salad is kind of, what's the word we used last time? Mayonnaise. Mayonnaise. That it kind of just cancels out each other. It's good, but not. It's better by itself, or maybe with the cheese. Let's try one with the cheese and the provolone. I just dropped some. I'm not doing any good close-ups today. let's see what if the pepper was the culprit. Mmm.
There you go.
Thank you. Got that provolone is kind of chewy, or not the provolone, the prosciutto.
Prosciutto. Do you want to try this? A bite of this?
Sure, give me 1 second.
They have to be refrigerated, by the way.
They do. It looks like it's melty. All right, what's on the bottom here?
It's just where I set it on my plate.
Oh, some chicken salad there. What is this made of?
Chocolate hazelnut. Chocolate and hazelnut.
So it actually has chocolate in it.
That's what it says.
How many grams of sugar?
15.
That's not bad, is it? That's delicious. Need something to drink with it, though.
It is a little dry, but it's still really good. I mean, I think it's a good, like, candy bar replacement for me.
How much did we spend for all of this today?
Like 18 something. But we
Oh.
got some other stuff too.
Right. Okay. Well, with everything here, what did we spend? 'Cause, I mean, we did buy. You got your finger over the lens again, dear.
So those were like about $1.35. This was like 2 something. That was 3 something. Your hummus and peppers were like $1 something. And this, the protein bar was like $1.
When you point over there and point the camera here, people can't see what you're doing. Can you see me in the screen?
Yeah. But
No,
they
you-
didn't see me point. So you just
Oh,
pointed
okay.
out that I pointed and
Are you going to eat any more of this?
No, you can have the
You want
rest.
me to finish it off?
Yeah.
This is why I'm getting fat and you're losing weight. It's because I'm finishing all your food.
well, if I hadn't have eaten other stuff, I would have been able to finish it. But I ate some other stuff, so.
Mm. That is good. I probably should stop while I'm ahead. It's good and crunchy too. It's got a nice texture, but it's you have to refrigerate it.
Yes. It says it has to be refrigerated.
What, one serving,
Yep.
one bar? How many total calories?
This one has 330 calories.
Oh, so it's not a good. Well, you're supposed to eat that by itself, right?
Yeah.
Not the way that I eat stuff, just all at once.
Right.
They also had what?
Dessert hummus.
Oh yeah,
So I think I tried that just to see.
we didn't get any of that.
No, we didn't. We'll do that next time.
It, one flavor was vanilla bean.
I've seen a chocolate one too.
Well, we've tried everything.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, look like you're getting away from me here. What see, we're doing picnic baskets, right?
Correct.
Although I think my graphic that I'm going to use is a laundry basket. So what would you rate our meal today? We're doing 1 through 5, right? 5's the highest.
I give it a 5.
Five laundry baskets. I mean, picnic baskets. I won't give it a 5 as well because everything is delicious. Although I don't like shopping in Aldi's. I think it's too hectic.
Let's be honest, you don't like shopping, period.
That's true. But the food is quality food for the price. You can't. I don't think that we can complain about it. So 2 5s. That's a perfect 10.
Perfect.
Well, I think I'm gonna eat a few more, and then I made a little game that I want to try. It has like two functions. It's a little cheesy, but
I'm excited because
you don't even know, do you?
I don't even know it.
I did it while you were getting ready this morning, making your hair big.
I didn't make my hair big. The weather kind of did this to my hair, so I just gave into it today.
All right, let's clear this off, and I'll show you the game. Are you ready for this game?
I sure am.
This is just a peanut can that I drew a grid on. It's just a little tic-tac-toe game, and I put our initials on these caps. There's some extras too. So, ladies first. Oh, you blocked me. Let me zoom in here. I had to block you here. Oh, I wrote it on the wrong side on this one. This is a water bottle cap also. I feel like I'm going to lose again. No, wait, look. Tic-tac-toe.
Oh!
Yeah! Do you like this?
I do.
It's a little bit small. I just grabbed what I have.
It does need to be a little bit bigger, but this is cool.
Yeah, I like it. And also, I thought we could like stand at a distance and like try to make goals. You want to play again?
Sure.
I'm gonna try to get a different angle. Okay, this time it's losers go first. Wait, that's yours. Oh no.
Oh, it's a draw.
It's a draw. No winners this time. Yeah, it is a little bit small. For I mean, it works. But all right, next game. Who goes first on a draw? I'll go first this time since it was ladies first, then losers first. Is that fair?
Yep.
Tic-tac-toe.
Dang
it. let me see that. Let me see that look.
Dang it.
I love you.
I love you. I'm not good at these strategy games.
Liar. Somebody calling you. Pause for a phone call.
In case you feel this is due to an error, you may connect with legal social.
They told you your social security number had been canceled.
Okay. I'm going to call them right back.
Right. You may need legal help.
It's okay. I think I'm good.
What did you do to cancel your social security number? All right. So one more time winning, and I'm the reigning champ.
Yes.
And don't let Stacy fool you. She is good at strategy games. She just doesn't perform well while she's being filmed. I'll let you go first.
Under pressure. Where is it? Is that right there?
Yeah.
Tic-tac-toe.
Oh, you got me.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Goofball. So I've got 2 wins and you've got 1.
Yep.
All right, let's see who wins the next one.
This is game point.
I think I could expand on this, find a bigger can, because I like the carryability of it.
Yes, it's awesome.
Maybe I could draw the lines a little neater next time.
Yeah. Losers go first, remember?
No, that's right. I win.
Oh, tic-tac-toe.
Where? Oh, you did. All right, you're the reigning champion at tic-tac-toe.
Woo-woo!
Come out now.
Sunny days, pushing the clouds away.
You're not being a little bit of ham, are you?
Me?
Maybe,
No.
maybe you're prosciutto.
Never. Come on, doll. What are we gonna do next?
I'm cutting all of this out. What do you want to do next?
Go to the bathroom.
Oh, you've had to go to the bathroom the whole time we've been here. Get out.
Have fun. Sorry.
Do you have to go to the bathroom?
I do.
How long have you had to go?
How long have we been here?
Get out.
Have some fun.
Have fun. Get out.
Take 3.
Get out.
Have fun.